with another video today. We got the second episode of the Versus series.
Yeah.
This one is a bit more exciting, so a bit easier to just show.
It's recording.
By here we notice some smoke coming from the fuel injector. There might be something that needs fixing in the future.
It's still recording. That's already good. Yep.
A little bit of ignition and a little bit of fuel.
So guys, we have a steak.
This is what the video brings. Okay, this clip is on its last legs.
Yeah.
Then the plastic's melted into the steak.
But we move.
So,
Go ahead, you got it.
let us know down below in the comments what you want us to burn next. Obviously, we're kind of just freestyling ideas right now. We have no clue what we're doing.
Yeah, we need some more. We're in need of some more ideas.
Yeah.
But this was a good one to review.
Yeah,
I'll give
this
you
is
props for
true.
this one.
Yeah, it was my idea, right? It wasn't a fucking apple.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't hurt me. Sorry.
Well, anyways, guys, it looks like we're gonna cut to the comparisons of what we've burnt today.
We'll go through the upgrades we made to the engine too, to allow it to do this.
Exactly. So, hope you enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and goodbye.
We are going to go through the upgrades we made to the engine and the aftermath of the steak. We have to bring everything in because this is the first one. So this was the old battery connection. It was two 9-volt batteries wired in series to get more volts.
Yep.
But it was kind of shit, so I upgraded to a lovely 21-volt drill battery. And that's why you will see in the video we got so much more power out of it. Can you see the wiring?
Okay, cool.
So I haven't upgraded these yet. That's why they still look shit, but got some nice connectors on there now, so it can be detached from whatever when I want it to be. And then there's a little potentiometer there. That's about it really for power upgrades. Obviously, I used a new fuel tank to get more power out of the fuel. And then for this engine, that's about it. I got more tanks on the way, bigger ones, so we have more pressure, so more power. And I need to get some more batteries too. Other than that, I just added some more tape to the engine just to make it a bit stronger against the heat. Other than that then, the aftermath now with the steak. It's dripping. It's dripping steak.
Look how
juice.
pink it is, like underneath the.
Well, should we
Should we unclip it? Yeah.
Oh my god, it's melted the...
Yeah, I would have thought it would have got.
Alright, well the clip's broke. It's been melted to the metal thing that I wanted to use, but oh well. Let's put that there. This is the steak.
So
Let me grab the fork quickly.
you're gonna flip it over.
Yeah.
All right, cool. And that's the
It cooked
back.
the other side.
It cooked the other side
Oh my
beside the
God.
part that we
Well, beside
covered.
the clip part, yeah. But both sides of the steak were cooked. Obviously, that's a little bit.
Should we take it inside and cut it in half?
Yes, we should.
Okay. Right. Cool.
We decided to stay out here because I don't want to get the house covered in disgusting steak juice. Let's have a look. See if it's well done or not. I don't feel it. Let's have a look.
That is.
Oh my god! It actually ended up... Yo, it's actually kind of cooked. Bro, that's like fucking... It's like medium. We actually fucking cooked the steak with it. Does the ring want to fuck on? Yo, it actually like... That part's a bit shit, but oh my god.
Should we take a bite?
Bro, we could... You're trying to get fucking food